Q1. The antonym of vicarious is. Correct answer is direct. Q2. The antonym of ticklish is. Correct answer is stable. Q3. Idiom wool gathering means. Correct answer is daydreaming. Q4. Idiom under the harrow means. Correct answer is anxiety. Q5. If you had not dashed me, I would have been in great trouble. Correct answer is helped. Q6. The case can easily be settled between you and Dash. Correct answer is me. Q7. The antonym of pristine is. Correct answer is original. Q8. The antonym of exonerate is. Correct answer is absolve. Q9. Who won the FIFA World Cup 2022? Correct answer is Argentina. Q10. The Indus Water Treaty between India and Pakistan was brokered by the. Correct answer is World Bank. Q11. It is nothing dash but pride. Correct answer is else. Q12. His proposal fell out for dash of support. Correct answer is need. Q13. Who coined the name United Nations? Correct answer is Franklin D. Roosevelt. Q14. The most abundant metal in the Earth's crust is. Correct answer is aluminum. Q15. The term of OIC Secretary General is. Correct answer is 5 years. Q16. Tipu Sultan had diplomatic relations with which French king? Correct answer is Napoleon. Q17. Adams Peak is located in which country? Correct answer is Sri Lanka. Q18. 1 BTU is equal to how many joules? Correct answer is 1055. Q19. Who invented the steam engine? Correct answer is James Watt. Q20. If a large number of people suffer from a disease at one place and time, it is known as. Correct answer is epidemic. Q21. Hemoglobin in blood is a complex protein rich in. Correct answer is iron. Q22. The unit of frequency is. Correct answer is hertz. Q23. Cholera is caused by. Correct answer is bacteria. Q24. Gandhara civilization is in. Correct answer is Pakistan. Q25. Objectives resolution was passed in. Correct answer is March 1949.